Hello guys, my name is Sierra and welcome to Pure and Holy. So as we embark on the winter and fall season, I want to shed light to an herb that is awesome for the winter colds and cough season. So this herb is called mullein. Now mullein is an herb that actually grows deep and all around the United States. It's an herb that you may look and see, and you may look at it and you will think it is a weed, because we're not educated enough to know that there are herbs growing all around us and they're not just weeds and we just cut them down. But no, mullein grows all around the United States. It is native to Africa, Asia, and Europe. Now, it grows really tall around the end of summer and the beginning of the fall season, which is perfect for us to use now. So that's the magical thing about herbs, and why I think that the earth is so plentiful and so amazing is because it grows around the time that you need it. Just like dandelion grows around the springtime, you see it all around the United States around the springtime, and it is actually beneficial in the springtime because it helps with allergies. I can go on and on about dandelion, but we're talking about mullein today. So mullein is awesome. It is great for the lungs. It's also known as lungwort because it helps heal and soothe the lungs. If you have things like asthma or bronchitis or any respiratory problems, this herb is awesome because it helps get the mucus and all of that gunk out of your lungs. It also helps with people that smoke and have a lot of tar in their lungs. It helps get rid of all of the gunk out of your lungs. You can drink it as a tea or you can smoke it. You can put it topically on your body, and I'll give you more information about that. Just continue to watch. Mullein is a demulcent. And a demulcent is basically something like marshmallow root. It's slimy, it has a lot of mucus, but it's healthy mucus, and it helps with inflammation, so it helps soothe and get things outside of your body. If you have inflamed lungs, a dry cough, if you have any symptoms of a cold, it is awesome for you to take now. One thing that I do like about mullein is that if you are around in an environment of smoke, cigarette smoke, and if you smoke yourself, it helps, like I said, it helps get the tar out of your lungs and purify your lungs. But it is awesome to just smoke it. You can purify your lungs with just smoking it or diffusing it, or not diffusing it, but if you smoke it, it's awesome. The smoke of the herb is great for your lungs. So it is a great alternative. That's what I do with mullein. I smoke mullein. And also the thing about mullein is that it helps with the lymphatic system. So the lymphatic system is very complex. It's all around your body. Just to break it down clearly, the lymphatic system helps bring the lymph fluid through your body and out of your body. So that is something that's very important. So if you have something that's stagnant in your body, it helps bring that fluid out of your body. Another thing about the mullein herb is that it's not only antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. It is also good for your digestive system. So if you have small intestine problems to where you have mucus or stuff inside of your small intestine, it helps bring that stuff out. Because when you have things in your small intestines like mucus, it doesn't, your small intestines, your body doesn't absorb the nutrients inside of your body, the food, with the food that you eat. So what mullein does is that it helps get rid of all of that and bring clear in small intestines so that your body can absorb the amount of nutrients that it needs. Okay, now not only can you drink this herb, you can take this herb, drink this herb. Not only can you drink this herb, smoke this herb, you can also put it topically on your body. So mullein mixed with oils, you can heal joint pain. You can also put it around where your lungs are. It helps break that mucus out and helps irritated lungs topically as well. And another thing about mullein is that you can put a few drops into your ears, and it will actually help with ear infections. Just put it in about 3 times a day or 2 times a day. Put your cotton balls into your ears, and then after about 3 days you should be good. Just apply it to your ears and put the cotton balls in there. And also, mullein leaf is high in nutrition. It nourishes your body with vitamins and minerals. So a mineral that is very important is calcium and magnesium. I want to show you guys what it looks like. It is basically very fluffy. It can grow up to 8 feet tall. Here it is. Uh-oh, I dropped it. So here is what mullein looks like. See if it will zoom in for you. This is basically what mullein looks like. All right, here it is. It is very fluffy, very light, and I think that's because it is actually protects itself, on the leaves, it actually protects itself against the sun. Mullein has so many different benefits that are awesome that I believe that you should research for yourself. Thank you so much for watching Pure and Holy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are interested in growing, learning more about herbs or other natural resources, please subscribe to this channel. I am interested in just growing and elevating higher. If you're interested in that, please subscribe and click the bell so that you will get notified when I post another video. I thank you so much for watching. I know you didn't have to. I only wish you peace and prosperity in your life, and I'll see you guys next time on the next video.